We are coming to the end of 2025 and YouTube have started sending everybody their YouTube recap. That is everything you watched from the first quarter to the second quarter to the third quarter, even to the last quarter of 2025. Those are the channels that you engage the most with, right? And if you have not seen your own recap, that is your own YouTube recap, I think you should actually check it out. Maybe you do not know how you can be able to check out your YouTube recap, or you've basically not seen your YouTube recap. I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to check your YouTube recap on your mobile phone and also on your laptop, depending whichever one you're using to watch this video, so that you will not really stress about where your recap is, right? I'm Samuel Favor and this is TECHLENSIVE, and yeah, let me show you how you can be able to use it on your laptop. So on the YouTube application, when you open youtube.com, you would see this is how my own is looking, right? What you will do is you go to the three dot at the top and you click it. You will see that there is home, there is shorts, subscription, and you. So what you do is you will click on you, and immediately you click on you will see your 2025 YouTube recap is here. Your 2025 recap is here. You click on it and you will be able to see your YouTube recap for the year it starts playing, right? So this is how you can be able to do it for your laptop. That is whether you're using a MacBook or you're using a Windows laptop, right? So all right, this is how you can now be able to check your YouTube recap on your mobile phone. Basically, you open YouTube on your phone and you click on the U section the same way it is on your laptop, and you see your YouTube recap. If you want to learn a little bit more about me, this is what my YouTube recap for 2025 was like on my other channel, right? So first things first, these were the channels, the things that I explored majorly this year. I explored a lot of things, right? Then my top interests were mobile tech reviews, video editing tips and tricks, and as it goes on, right, I watched a lot of channel, and this is the channel that I basically use to watch a lot of things, right? I don't use my main channel to surf the YouTube platform for some kind of things. My other channel, that is the TECHLENSIVE channel, is majored down on watching tech related videos and things that would help my channel grow, right? While this other channel is for everything and anything. I hope this video was helpful. Do well to comment the channel that popped out the first in your YouTube recap, and maybe what you actually watched the most and what you're known for. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, peace.